Hello class, this is Mrs. Sunana Priya Das and today we are going to continue the same chapter for class 12, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Today's topics are post-fertilization events, in which we will study the structure of dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous embryo. In the previous video we have studied under the post-fertilization events, we have studied development of endosperm from primary endosperm nucleus and development of embryo from zygote. Now today we will be studying the typical dicot embryo. Now if you see the initial stages of all the embryo, whether it is dicot and monocot, it is quite similar, and all the stages of embryo development together it is called embryogeny. But the other stages are different and the structures are also different in dicot and monocot embryo. Now the structure of a typical dicot embryo, first we will see. A typical dicotyledonous embryo consists of an embryonal axis and two cotyledons. You can see here in this figure. The portion of embryonal axis above the level of cotyledon is called epicotyle, which develop into plumule or baby shoot. Okay. The cylindrical portion below the level of cotyledon is the hypocotyle, which develops into radicle or root tip. The root tip is often covered with a root cap called calyptra. Mango, apple, radish, rose, etc. some dicot plants. Now the structure of a monocotyledonous embryo. This is the LS of an embryo of grass. A typical monocotyledonous embryo consists of one cotyledon. The cotyledon is situated on one side, that is lateral of the embryonal axis, and it is called scutellum. You can see here in the figure. The radicle and root cap are situated at the lower end of embryonal axis in an undifferentiated sheath called coleorhiza. The shoot apex, you can see here, the shoot apex and few leaf primordia are enclosed in a hollow foliar structure in epicotyle region called coleoptile. The portion of embryonal axis above the level of attachment of scutellum is called epicotyle. Grass, banana, bamboo, palm are some monocotyledonous plants. So that's all for today's video, children. Prepare notes accordingly. Revise it. Stay at home. Stay healthy. God bless you all. Bye.